Welcome to DevTech Minds. This is the sixth video of 30 Days of Pandas and we are solving calculate special bonus. So let's read the problem statement. We got the employees table that contains three columns: employee ID, name and salary. So employee ID is the primary key and we contain their name as well as their salaries. Let's read the question. It says write a solution to calculate the bonus of each employee. Let's find out how to get the bonus. The bonus of an employee is 100% of their salary if the ID of the employee is an odd number. So we have to identify what is the ID type, whether it is even number or odd number. If it is odd, the bonus will be 100% of the salaries. Now the employee's name does not start with the character M, that is the another condition. So apart from getting the odd employee IDs, we also have to get that the employee name does not start with M. Otherwise the bonus is 0. So that's not good, but let's just solve it. All right, return the result in the order of employee ID. Okay, and that will be the format, employee ID as well as their bonuses. So we have to create an additional column in the output, that is bonus, which will be 100% of the salaries. So let's see the solution. We need to create an additional column. So let's first create that in this employees data. So here I'll just add a column that is named as bonus. And how will we get the bonus? We have the condition that employees, and once again employees. So the employee ID, that is what I'm checking. The employee ID, I will copy this and paste it in here. Now we need this employee ID to be odd. How can we do this in Python? We have a particular operator in Python, that is this percent operator. This works as a modulo operator, and if I use %2, which means it is checking the divisibility with 2. Now if the divisibility comes out to be 0, which means the remainder comes out to be 0, which means the number is even because it is evenly getting divided by 2. If it comes out to be 1, it's an odd number. So let's put it inside parentheses, and that is our first condition. Let's use the second condition, and we need AND because we need to satisfy both of them. And if I copy this entirely, I'll just do some changes. Right, so firstly just let's remove this, and then the second condition is based on name. Now name, we need that the name, the first character of the name should not be M. So we have a particular string function .str.startswith, and we are checking that it should starts with M. It should not starts with M, so we can simply apply a not in here. So not employee name starts with M. These are the two conditions that we need to satisfy, and on the basis of that I can get the salaries. So I'll simply copy the salary from here and paste that. So this is my bonus. So employees data, we got created another column which is salary of these employees. But there will be one problem with respect to all the different IDs. Employee bonus will be null if this condition will not be satisfied. So we don't want null, we want 0, as you can see in here. So we got to fill it. So how can we fill it? Let's completely copy this and equate it with the same, and let's use fillna. That's what we use in pandas, and we're filling it with zeros. That's right, return. We're gonna return the employees, and we need two columns in here. So let me just add another square bracket in here. That one need to go right. Second one is the employee ID. So that's here, and I can copy it from here. So we got to get these two, and we need to order it as well. So I'll simply add the order by clause. Order by, or we cannot use the order by clause, sorry, we have to use the sorting clause. So we can use sort values, and we need to specify by. So let's use employee ID in here, and that will do the work. Let's hope we don't lead to any error. Let's run this. and let's wait for the output. Okay, so the output got accepted, and let's try and submit it to run it again all the test cases. And here we go, we solved it. So that's all in this video. I'll see you in the next one.